That's the difference between the Gemara, like Mariam, like building a whole philosophical argument, saying, well, this could be allowed, maybe hypothetically. Atana is dealing with the
din. I think you have that question even in the basic Tanaim. In Hilchot Avodah Zarah, they've got this question, which I think is in the Tanaim also, I'd have to check, which is if you bow down to an idol, but you have in mind you're worshipping God. You worship God and you have in mind the idol and all these different grey areas in between. So, because in certain situations...
There's no way to adjudicate that in terms of belief with that hasra. They have to warn you. In terms of pleading ignorance is not a real plea in terms of halakha.
There's two different levels also. They're talking about how the court, how the Sanhedrin tries you in a practical trial, and also the Rambam's also very interested in you go up to the heavenly court and have you performed an Aveirah or not? Mm-hmm. So there are very many things which you can say, you've done teshuvah and you don't deserve to take the punishment anymore. It doesn't matter. The court down here, the Sanhedrin, can't take that into account. It has to apply the law. The heavenly court may have considered that you've done teshuvah, you've repented, and you don't get into trouble for that up there. So they're always
midrashic concept fully, but the Beis Din Shomala,
you've got both of these. In both I think all the sources, you have this double level of how we're working. There's both the heavenly courts and the Dinei Shemayim, Dinei Adam. You have in the Mishnayot. Positive Dinei Shemayim, Chayv Dinei Adam. You have
the notion of the heavenly court is midrashic in nature.
It comes down in halachic Mishnayot. It's got Baba Kama, the sixth parak. You've got all the list of cases which are.
No, for sure. So those statements have nothing to do with halacha. For example, the Rambam says that if a Jew kills a goy, there's no penalty, but the Beis Din Shomala, by the hands of heaven, he'll be taken care of. That's not a halachic statement because it's not dealing with legislation by a Beis Din.